Topic natin is sign convention. Sa strength of materials and structural engineering, may dalawang sign conventions na ginagamit. Ang una ay joint convention at ang ikalawa ay beam convention. Para sa joint convention, upward is positive and downward is negative na load P, reaction R, shear V, and deflection delta. Counterclockwise is positive, clockwise is negative na moment M, joint rotation theta, and chord rotation psi. And positive for tension and negative for compression. And para naman sa solution ng structures using the joint convention, ang ginagamit is summation shear is 0 and summation moment is 0. Para sa beam convention, upward is positive, downward is negative na load P, reaction R, shear V, and deflection delta. Upward is positive and downward is negative na moment. Counterclockwise is positive, clockwise is negative na joint rotation theta and chord rotation psi. And positive for tension and negative for compression. And para naman sa solution ng structure using the beam convention, ang ginagamit ay shear left equals negative shear right and moment left equals moment right. So ang question is, kailan ba mainam gamitin ang joint convention and beam convention? Ang joint convention ay mainam gamitin kapag ang structures ay trusses and frames. And ang beam convention naman ay mainam gamitin kapag ang structure ay beam. Ang mga conventions na ito ay i-discuss natin in detail using examples. Example is a simple beam subjected sa concentrated load 60. Sinob na rin natin yung mga reactions. So sa kaliwa, 37.5 and sa kanan is 22.5. Gusto nating malaman yung shear and moment sa section na ito 1 meter from the left support. Take note na ang shear and moment ay mga internal force and moment. So para mag-appear sila, kailangan nating ikat yung structure. So ito na ang nangyari. So nung kinat, nahati yung beam into two parts, the left part and the right part. Then isolve natin yung shear and moment using the two sign conventions, the joint and the beam convention. Unahin natin is the joint convention. Para sa shear, may dalawang options. Pwede nating piliin yung left, pwede rin naman yung right. Kapag left, the shear is, since upward yung reaction at A, so the shear at left is 37.5 positive. Kapag naman right ang pinili, then shear right is equal to, pababa yung load 60, so negative, pataas yung reaction at C, so positive. Then the shear using right is equal to negative 37.5. So mapapansin na magkaiba ang sagot using the left part and the right part. So kapag tinanong tayo, the shear, ang pipiliin natin is yung left part. So ito yung sagot, positive 37.5. Then recall, sa joint convention, the total shear is equal to 0. So shear left plus shear right must be equal to 0. Shear left is positive 37.5 plus shear right is negative 37.5, and yes, the sum is equal to 0. Para naman sa moment, meron din tayong dalawang options, pwedeng left, pwedeng right. Unahin na muna natin is left. So moment left is equal to, since ang reaction at A ay magpo-produce ng clockwise moment about this point, then the moment is negative. The force is 37.5, the lever arm is 1. So moment left is equal to negative 37.5. Moment right is equal to, due to the load 60, magkakaroon ng clockwise moment about this point. So the moment is, since clockwise negative, 60 times the lever arm 2. And due to the reaction at C, magkakaroon ng counterclockwise moment about this point. And since counterclockwise, so the moment is positive, the force is 22.5, and the lever arm is 7. So the moment using the right part is equal to positive 37.5. Mapapansin na magkaiba yung sagot. So kapag tinanong tayo the moment, ang pipiliin naman natin is the right part. Then recall, para sa joint convention, the total moment is equal to 0. Moment left plus moment right must be equal to 0. Moment left is negative 37.5 plus moment right is positive 37.5, and yes, the total is 0. So ang question is, bakit pagdating sa shear, left part ang pinili and sa moment naman right part ang pinili? Ang dahilan is, kapag shear, itong left part kasi ang tutugma sa beam convention at sa moment naman, yung right part naman yung tutugma sa beam convention. Next, isolve naman natin yung shear and moment using the beam convention. Take note na kapag ang tinatanong ay shear and moment, ang sign convention na dapat gamitin ay beam convention. Para sa shear, piliin na muna natin yung left part. So the shear left is equal to, since the reaction at A is upward, so the shear is positive 37.5. Para naman sa shear right, the shear is equal to, since the load is downward, so negative 60, and the reaction at C is upward, so positive 22.5. So the shear using the right part is equal to negative 37.5. So para sa shear, ang pipiliin natin is the left part. So the shear at the cutting plane is positive 37.5. Then recall para sa beam convention that the shear left is equal to negative shear right. Shear left is positive 37.5 and it is equal to negative of shear right, negative 37.5. So confirmed, tama yung property. Next, para naman sa moment, may dalawang options, left and right. So unahin na muna natin yung left. So moment left is equal to, take note sa beam convention na ang positive moment is upward and negative moment is downward. And since upward yung reaction at A, so magpo-produce siya ng upward moment. So therefore, the moment is positive, the force is 37.5 times the lever arm 1. So moment left is equal to positive 37.5. Moment right is equal to, since yung load ay downward, so magpuproduce siya ng downward moment. So the moment is negative 60 times the lever arm 2. Since the reaction at C is upward, so magpuproduce siya ng upward moment. So the moment is positive, the force is 22.5 times the lever arm is 7. So the moment using right is positive 37.5. Recall, sa beam convention, ang property, moment left is equal to moment right. Moment left is positive 37.5 equal to moment right positive 37.5. So confirmed na itong property na ito is correct. Next example is a simple beam with overhang. Ang hahanapin natin sa problem na ito ay yung shear and moment sa section which is 10 meters from point A. So nung kinat natin yung beam, nahati siya into two parts, the left part and the right part. And to solve for the shear and moment, gamitan natin ang dalawang sign conventions. Unahin na muna natin is the joint convention. Para sa shear, pwede natin gamitin the left part or the right part. Considering the left part, V left is equal to, due to the concentrated load downward, the shear is negative 12. Due to the reaction at B upward, the shear is positive 178. And due to the uniform load downward, the shear is negative 36 times 7. So shear left is equal to negative 86. Considering the right part, V right is equal to, due to the uniform load downward, the shear is negative 36 times 2. And due to the reaction at C upward, the shear is positive 158. So V right is equal to positive 86. Then property para sa joint convention that the total shear must be equal to 0. The total shear is V left plus V right, and it must be equal to 0. V left is negative 86 plus V right is positive 86, and yes, the sum is equal to 0. Obviously, magkaiba ang sagot ng V left and V right, so ang tamang sagot is the V left. Para naman sa moment, may dalawang options. Pwedeng piliin the left part, pwede rin namang right part. Considering the left part, M left is equal to, due to the 12 kN load, magkakaroon ng counterclockwise moment about the cutting plane. So the moment is equal to positive 12 times the lever arm 3 plus 7 or 10. Due to the reaction at B upward, magkakaroon ng clockwise moment about the cutting plane. So the moment is negative 178 times the lever arm 7. And due to the uniform load downward, magkakaroon ng counterclockwise moment about the cutting plane. So the moment is positive, the force is 36 times 7 times the lever arm, kalahati ng 7, so 3.5. So moment left is equal to negative 244. Considering the right part, M right is equal to, due to the uniform load, magkakaroon ng clockwise moment about the cutting plane. So the moment is equal to negative, the force is 36 times 2 times the lever arm, kalahati ng 2, which is 1. And due to the reaction at C upward, magkakaroon ng counterclockwise moment about the cutting plane. So the moment is positive 158 times the lever arm 2. So M right is equal to positive 244. Then property para sa joint convention that the total moment must be equal to 0. The total moment is M left plus M right, it must be equal to 0. M left is negative 244 plus M right is positive 244, and yes, it is equal to 0. Obviously, magkaiba ang sagot M left, M right, so kapag joint convention, ang pipiliin natin is M right. Next, solve for the shear and moment using the beam convention. Para sa shear, pwede nating piliin the left part or the right part. Considering the left part, V left is equal to, due to the concentrated load downward, the shear is negative 12. Due to the reaction at B upward, the shear is positive 178. And due to the uniform load downward, the shear is negative 36 times 7. So V left is equal to negative 86. Considering the right part, V right is equal to, due to the uniform load downward, the shear is negative 36 times 2. And due to the reaction at C upward, the shear is positive 158. So V right is equal to positive 86. Then property para sa beam convention that V left is equal to negative V right. V left is negative 86 equal to negative V right is positive 86. So confirmed, tama yung property. Obviously, magkaiba ang V left and V right, so ang pipiliin is V left. Para naman sa moment, pwede nating piliin the left part or the right part. Considering the left part, M left is equal to, due to the concentrated load which is downward, magkakaroon ng downward na moment. So the moment is negative, the force is 12, times the lever arm is 3 plus 7 or 10. Due to the upward reaction at B, magkakaroon ng upward na moment. So the moment is positive, the force is 178, times the lever arm is 7. And due to the uniform load downward, magkakaroon ng downward moment. So the moment is negative, the force is 36 times 7, times the lever arm is kalahati ng 7, 3.5. So M left is equal to positive 244. Considering the right part, M right is equal to, due to the uniform load downward, magkakaroon ng downward moment. So the moment is negative, the force is 36 times 2, times the lever arm, kalahati ng 2, equal to 1. And due to the reaction at C which is upward, magkakaroon ng upward moment. So the moment is positive, the force is 158, times the lever arm is 2. So M right is equal to positive 244. Then property para sa beam convention, that M left must be equal to M right. M left is positive 244 equal to M right is positive 244. So confirmed na tama itong property na ito. Linawin natin yung sign convention para sa moment. Say given is a fixed beam subjected sa distributed load. So nagkaroon ng force reactions and moment reactions sa dalawang supports. Say sa kaliwa, ang moment reaction is 150 counterclockwise and sa kanan naman ang moment reaction is 120 clockwise. Considering the joint convention, since the moment at A is counterclockwise, then the moment at A is positive 150. Since the moment at B is clockwise, so the moment is negative 120. Next, consider the beam convention. Since the moment at A is downward, so it is negative 150. And since the moment at B is downward, then the moment B is negative 120.